Make a great choice today with the 2023 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control electronic, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, starter type, motor generator, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.